Yes. What you have done? Exercise 16. Now I'm explaining that one. I told you that I will explain when fi'l muzara will be mazzoom or lam kalma having jazm. तो हरफ इल्लत will be omitted always. तो हुरूफ जाजमा I told they are lam, lamma, lam amr, la nahiya. These four are huruf jazma, and I am not understanding that till now people are attending class, coming, they are waiting room. What is the problem? Why they are not knowing time? Yes, anytime when fi'l muzara will be majzoom, to all five sigas. You know very well these five sigas: yafalu, tafalu, afalu, nafalu, which are ending on lam kalma. There, there will come jazm will come on the last letter, and from ittiba saknain harf illat will be omitted. Shaima, what you have started? Erase it just now. Sorry, not to delete, erase it. Taqulu, if I am adding la, la nahiya, or lam, or lamma, or li, which comes for amr. So in all these cases, these sigas which are coming ending with the lam kalma, their jazm, they will have jazm. They will have jazm. There are five sigas: yafalu, tafalu two times, and afalu, nafalu. They are five sigas in fi'l muzara. They will have jazm when these or four letters are coming before them. है ना? This is lam, la nahiya, lam, which changes into mazi, lamma. It also comes with fi'l muzara and give the meaning of mazi manfi. And li comes for amr, and it comes with ghaib sigas to whom we cannot give order. We can say that they should do, we should do, you or he should do. So in this case we are using li. And like I want to say le yazhab ilal madrasati, he should go to school, है ना? Le yazhab, this lam is called lam amr, and it will be le yazhab ilal madrasati, है ना? और ला तत्रुकी सलात, ला तत्रुकी सलात, but ला तत्रुक when it is coming and a harf sahi is coming, fail is sahi, so no problem. And if harf illat is coming, so when la will come, so it will be la I am adding, last letter will have jazm, and now ijtima sakinain coming, harf illat will be omitted. It will be called then la taqul. It will be la taqul. What it will be? La taqul. Now clear? Exercise I think you can do. La taqul hakaza, la tatuf bil qubur. Qubur, this is graves. La takun kaslana ya waladu, la tazurni fil masa, la tasum yawm alid, la taqum min huna. So these exercises you have to complete. Yeah. Eh? What you are saying? You are not knowing the time, Zoom class time. Eh? First half an hour is for Zoom meeting, and after 15 minutes, after 15 minutes, we will join that WhatsApp group. Now, I want that you have to write Gardan of Tasriful Muzara Belan Nahia. Bela Nahia. Why? What happened? What happened, beta? Check your mobile. Uktub Tasrif al Muzara Belan Nahia. And you have to write just now, and we are going to join now Zoom class. I will check there because I will, and if any mistake will be there, so I will explain. Oops. खाला, आप लोग रोज़ा रखते हैं?
जी
सुबह में से टाइम उठती हैं?
जी
कल हमें सुबह जाना है, चले जाएंगे हम, 1 हफ्ते के लिए जा रहे हैं।